Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video, we will learn about the post-processing of ANSYS Workbench. We will learn how can we do the manipulation with our results and how can we generate the high quality figures that we can import in our report or our research article. Okay, let's start. So the first thing is the orientation of this model. How can you like at which orientation you want to place this? Okay, this is isometric, and if you want to put in this orientation, that's okay. And if you want to change the orientation, like if you want to select this front, so from here you can see this is z-axis. If you will select z-axis, then it will oriented in like the z direction. Okay, so in this way you can change the orientation of this model, and you can zoom in or zoom out with the help of wheel cursor. So if you will move the wheel of the your cursor in upward direction, then it will zoom in, and if you will move in downward direction, then it will zoom out. Okay, and by using this pan you can specify its location. Okay, so where you want to put, it's up to you. Okay, so this is about its orientation and placement. And the next thing is about the scale. So when we do the FE analysis, then it shows the default results, but the scale is not true scale. If you want to place the true scale, so you will come here and click here, and here you can find the true scale, and you can see that its deformation is decreased. It means that now it's showing the exact deformation that is equal to 0.05 millimeter. Okay, and if you want to show the deformation, like the higher deformation, here the value will not be changed. This will show that the value is 0.5 millimeter, but you want to check if the deformation is very small, then we cannot able to differentiate between the real length and the deformation. So for that you can increase its scale. Let's suppose I select this one. Now you can see that the deformation is increased. Okay, so in this way we can select the scale of this results. Okay, so now we will discuss about the contours. So if we click here, first option is solid and fill. If we select this, then we can see that the results, the legends are appear, but there is no information about the contours. And if we will select these isolines, now you can see that the isolines of different regions that represent the deformation. Like this region has less deformation, and then it's increasing from left to right. And the next option is contour bands. So if we select this, now you can see that you can clearly see the different bands of deformation. Okay, and it's increasing from left to right. This legend tell us about this one. Okay, and the next one is smooth contour. If you select this one, now you can see that there is no specific regions, but it has a smooth contour that uh, tell us that the deformation is increasing from left to right. So this is about the contours, and this is about the edges. So here we can see that this the like the meshing lines are showing in our results, and if we don't need this one, we want to remove these meshing lines, so we simple go to no wireframe. Okay, now you can see that the meshing lines are disappear, and if you want to put your results in this way, so you can do this. And if you want to show the undeformed frame, so now from this you can see that this is the original position or original shape of this body, and if it's deformed, so now this is the deformation. So if you want to present both, like the initial position and the deformation, then you can use this option. And there is another option. See, in this way it's not showing the original piece into like with the help of line, but it's showing as a body. So here you can see that It's showing the original position or original shape of the body, and these are the deformation. So from here you can select any option. If you will select this one, so it will be show like this. So it's up to you which option you want to select. Okay, so the next is about the props. So if you want to put the uh, uh, probe, like where is the maximum deformation is occurring and where is the minimum deformation is occurring, so we just select the minimum. So it tell us about where the minimum deformation is occurring, and if you select the maximum, then it will show the region where is the maximum uh, like deformation is occurring. Similarly, we can see that the for stress, so you can see that these region are minimum, have the minimum deform stress, and these region have the maximum stress. Okay, so in this way we can probe, and we have another option that is called probe. So if we want to probe a specific location, like we want to put the results of the medical results of this region, like how much deformation is at the center of this one, then we can select the probe. And now you can see if we move our cursor, then it will show the value of the specific region. Let's suppose if I want to now the deformation at the center, I just click, and now you can see that it tells us about the node. Like at this node, the deformation value is this. Similarly, we can do this for stress or strain. Okay, so this is all about the post processing manipulation of the results. And if you want to run the animation, so if you run the animation, like how the deformation is occurring, so here in the graph, okay, we have to select the graph, and graph here we can find the animation, and here is a play button. So if you click on it, now you can see that how the deformation is occurring. If the force is acting in outward direction, then how the shape of this piece is changing, and how the deformation is occurring in this system. So in this way, you if you want to see the animation, so you can use this option. So the final stage is how to generate the high quality results for our research article. If we will take the screenshot of this one by using snipping tool or any other tool, then the output of this image is not good as required. So if you want to generate the high quality results, here you can find the option image. We will click here on the image, then here we have to select the option image to file. Okay, and this window will pop up. First of all, we uncheck this one. If we uncheck this one, then the quality control settings of this uh, system will appear. So here the first is the optimize screen. So ratio is 1:1. So if you want a good quality, then you can use this one. And if you will select this one, it will enhance the quality. And if you want the high quality resolution of the picture, then you can select this one. And the next option is image and legends, and if you will select this one, then these legends and this image both will appear in the export picture. And if you only need this image and you don't need this one, so you just can select like the image only. Okay, the next is the background color. By default, the background color of ANSYS Workbench is like light blue, but I like white background. So in my previous video, I explained how can we change the background color. And even if your background color is blue, but you want to export the image in the white background so that the results can be seen clearly, so you can just use here white background. And even if there will be the color of this background, any background color, but the picture will have the white background. I will select this default because I already have the white color. And this is the font magnification factor about this one. So here we use 4:1. So for magnification we will also use the 4. So it will also magnify these fonts up to 4. So this is all about the settings. Now the next step is okay. Now we have to specify the location where we want to save this image. So let's suppose I want to save on the desktop, and first we have to specify the name like D2 deformation 2, and here you can save the file type. If you There are three options available: PNG, JPEG, or BMP. So which file format you need, you just select I need this in PNG and then go to save. And now we will go to the desktop and we will see the results of our. So this is our D2. Open this one, and now you can see that the quality of the output export picture. And if you will zoom this, okay, you can see that the quality is not decreasing. See, so in this way you can prepare your results, you can manipulate your results, and you can export your results with the high quality picture that you can import in your research article that will give a like very good outlook. So this is all about the post processing. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.